Hello dear student, today we will discuss the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. This topic is covered from unit and measurement and it relates to physics. So what is principle of homogeneity of dimensions? This principle says that the dimensions of each term on both sides on an equation on both sides must be same. The dimensions of each term of an equation on both sides must be same. For example, we take three terms, first term, second term and third terms. So these three terms we can add or subtract if its dimensional formula is same. These three terms we can add or subtract if first term dimensions equals to second term dimensions equals to third term dimensions. Then we can add or subtract these terms. Or we can say that we can add and subtract similar physical quantities. We can define in other way. We can add and subtract similar physical quantities. If this physical quantity is not similar, then we can't add or subtract. For example, if we take 4s plus 3 kg, s is second and kg is kilogram. So s and kg are different dimension. So this both term can't add. So this equation is wrong. Next one is 5 Newton plus 10 Newton. So this both term has same dimensions. So this equation is correct. So this equation is follow principle of homogeneity. Next is if equation is 2s plus 3 kg plus 5n, this one is not correct. Next is 3 kg plus 5 kg plus 10 kg. So this equation is add or subtract. So this equation is follow the principle of homogeneity. For example, take a physical quantity since v equals to u plus at, where v equals to final velocity, u equals to initial velocity, a equals to acceleration and t equals to time. So for velocity, final velocity, we can write in other way v minus u minus at equals to 0. So for final velocity, v equals to meter per second in SI unit. For u, SI unit is meter per second. And its dimensional formula is LT power minus 1. LT power minus 1. So u and v, we can add or subtract. Next one is AT. AT for SI unit is meter per second square into second. So we can write LT power minus 1 in its dimension form. So these three terms are same dimensional formula. And this equation can write v minus u minus at equals to 0. So these are principle of homogeneity. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.